today I'm going to show you how to draw a cheese and a mouse. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll draw this small shape. We'll go ahead, we draw like this, and we draw here. We get this line, a C, and then we'll put it over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's our cheese, guys. I'll show clearly. So this is our cheese. Now we draw a mouse. Okay. Shall we draw number 1 wing? Okay. Continue on the top. We draw an eye, 2 ears, whiskers, a tail, and a foot. And let's draw the background. What will we draw for the background? I know some plants. Here. It's like the mouse is jumping. I think I'll draw the mouse's house. There's a hole in here, which says that this is the mouse's house. Color it in with your pencil. Perfection. Now draw more mice. Wait, I think we'll draw birds first. Flapping their wings in the air. That's a nice bird. These birds are far, far away. I'll draw the sunny sky. Wait, maybe it could be cloudy. Because the birds are directly to the tree. We draw the teardrop. I mean the water drop. A raindrop. We draw one here. We draw one leaking just from the picture. We'll draw more. And a cloud. Now I'm gonna color, but I'm gonna skip this part. And guys, we finally finished drawing our picture, and this is how it turned like. Oh, I actually colored the grass. Can you see it? No, you can see it. Okay, so this is so lovely. I'll tell you what's in it. We have a little red fiery bird here. Can you see it? It's over here. It's over here. A little tree is a little rainy, a hole, a mouth, a cheese, a cloud. Somebody puddles, two water puddles, and two bushes. Before we leave, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.